Hey you guys, welcome back to the channel, the Pseudo. Long time no see. Yeah, so we're gonna continue today our Java series. So I hope you have seen these two videos where I'm talking about the basic Javas, what is package, what is a collection, and the basic hello world program. Today we're gonna explore one more concept of basics. It's like how to take input from user by using graphical user interface. Before that, I hope you're checking Insta daily. I have been uploading posts recently back. So please check it. And if you are new to this channel, please like, share, and comment. So the problem for the day is, so as a shopkeeper, suppose I have one price, product name, price, and quantities. And at last I have to calculate its bill. So for taking the user input as GUI, you need one package, that is import javax.swing.star. Star means all the packages which come under it will be here called. Now, starting off with, we define here a variable name, that is product name. J option pane. This is the syntax which we write here. So J option pane is what? It's a class. Show input dialog, it's a method. And enter product name, like kind of message with what we pass here. Now, as it is a string, next we want price. So price, same syntax will go, same conventions, naming convention should be followed. Then a dialog box will appear which will ask you the price, product name, and many more things. So we are here performing typecasting because price we wanted integer. So for that we use integer dot parseInt. If it's double, then it will be, we can write it double. Then we have to take the quantity. At last we are calculating the bill and we are going to print it. Now let's go to the CLI and check how it works. So this is the command which we use. First we will compile it. We're good. And now we're going to run it. So it will ask me product name. Let's say it's soap. Okay. Price, let's say 10. Quantity 2. Okay, so the bill is 20. In this way, you can use GUI as an interface to take the input from the user. I will be posting few videos more. I will try to cover this Java series more, and I will try to upload videos once in a week. And I will, once the Java is over, I will go on shift to the advanced Java Spring Boot. Till then, keep watching. Thank you.